Hello everyone, welcome to How to Use Basics. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can add PDF in your ChatGPTs. To get started with the process, you first need to log into your ChatGPT using your ChatGPT account. To get started with the login process, simply type on chatgpt.com on your browsers. After logging in, you can now see a link icon on the bottom left corner of the Message tab. Simply click on the link icon and then select Upload from Computer. You now need to select a PDF that you would like to insert into ChatGPT. And that's it, you've successfully added a PDF in your ChatGPT account. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our future videos. Thank you for watching.